Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today, oh yeah, we got another unboxing video for you. Alright guys, so yes, from that intro you obviously can see I cooked up some pairs of the Air Jordan 1 taxis. To be honest, it's a little shocking to me, to be honest, that I was able to hit a couple pairs. So I got one pair from GOAT, I got one pair from Champ Sports, and then the other pair, which is this pair right here, I hit right off of the Nike Sneakers app. So this is going to be the pair that we're going to be taking a look at. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video, and then I'm going to show you, I had already laced up a pair. We're going to do a little comparison between this one and this one, just so I can show you the difference in the leather. I believe it is just a, little factory defect or quality control issue. Alrighty guys, so getting right into it, we have the Nike box in that taxi yellow. All over the shoe. They've been doing this with like every single release lately. For the ones, it seems like, that box is going to match the colorway for the particular sneaker that's going to be releasing. So getting right to the label. Label reads, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Taxi, Black and Sail is the colorway. My personal size in a Air Jordan 1 is a size 11.5, as you can see right there on the label. And then how we do it, we're going to flip open that top. Woo! Just such a clean pair of shoes. So yes, guys, like I did say, I did want to just point out some things after we go over the review. But yeah, man, this is honestly probably, I got to be honest, my favorite shoe that I have ever purchased. It's just such a clean colorway, and I love this color blocking. Personally, I think that any sneaker, right? Any Air Jordan 1 with this color blocking, you could put any color. Replace the taxi yellow here. Just replace that. Any color you want. Blue, which they already did, do the blue toes, or the royal toes, I should say. But blue, red, orange, shadow backwards, green, pine greens, pink, volt. A UNC colorway of this, oh man, that would hurt my soul. Honestly, that would be like a 5-pair minimum. If they did a UNC of the this color blocking with the black here and then the color on the toe, oh my god, man, that would be literally a 5-pair minimum. UNC here, UNC here, UNC sole. I mean, that would be the perfect shoe. But yeah, man, absolutely my favorite Air Jordan 1 to date. This has to be my favorite, my top sneaker pickup of the year so far. Now, granted, I don't know. I mean, let's see if I can hit on those Chicago Jordan 1s that are going to be coming out later this year in November. But I don't know about that release, man. I've heard that there are either going to be a ton of pairs of those things, or they're going to be extremely limited, just exclusively for those neighborhood stores. But we're just gonna have to wait and see how that plays out. But this video is going to be all about these guys right here. So getting into the main thing I wanted to point out is on this pair, right? So you have, that sail, that taxi, everything is a nice, soft, supple leather, as you can see right here. Even that toe box. Let me pull out the shoe tree right here. You can see that toe box, just a soft premium leather. The black here as well is super soft and really nice to the touch. But then going to the white, right? So you can clearly see this pair. It's more of a smoother white, right? I mean, it's still really good leather, still pretty soft, to the touch, still really good quality. However, it is not consistent with other pairs that I have. So I was able to pick up 3 pairs, and all 3 pairs are a little bit different. So this is probably the most smooth pair right here in the white, as you can see. And then once I hit this pair right here, you can see this one is extremely textured and tumbled all throughout that white portion of the shoe. Now, even going to the medial side, or the outside right here, this is the medial side, even going to this side right here, I mean, you could really see how tumbled and textured it looks on this pair compared to this pair right here. You know, so just a little quality control thing, you know, I wanted to point out personally. And then even going to the swoosh, if you notice this swoosh right here, you know, it is definitely textured. You know, it is tumbled a little bit. But looking at this one, it looks like this side right here is even more textured and tumbled. So like I said, I'm not sure, you know, it's just a quality control issue or whatnot. But it's just something to point out. You know, that when I do these reviews, it's just something to point out when you guys get your pairs, if you were able to secure a pair, just something to note and look for. Alrighty, so going forward, I am actually going to be just using this one, honestly, because I think this one looks the best with that tumbled, and I had already thrown the black laces in here as well. One thing to point out, guys, this does not come with an extra set of laces, so you only get the black ones that, you know, come, you know, pre-laced, just with the bottom eyelet right here. That is all. You don't get yellow, you don't get white. So any other pairs that you guys see out there that have different laces, so white or yellow, they had to get that on their own. If it came with your shoes, unfortunately, probably fake. Alright guys, so let's get into this review, man, on my absolute favorite pickup of the year. Like I had mentioned, going to the toe box, man, you got that really nice, soft, supple leather. That taxi colorway is so clean. You got the black going up the tongue and the laces. As I mentioned before, going to the tongue on that nylon tongue, you get that Nike Air in white and yellow right there. Going to the back, you know, with the wings coming up here, you got that taxi with the white and black. Going to the swoosh, you got that nice black swoosh, as well as the black wrapping up towards the top of the shoe, and then on the heel, look at that swoosh right there. It is that nice textured swoosh, as well as that nice white textured tumbled leather on the side. Now for the midsole, you do not have a true white midsole. It is a nice sail, so it's like an off-white type of white, not a true white, definitely a little bit more of a creamish color. It's not super exaggerated, but you will definitely notice it when looking at other Air Jordan 1s. Now, like I had mentioned, that bottom is going to be that beautiful taxi outsole with that traction right there. Air Jordan 1 is so clean from the bottom. Take a look at that with your store print right here going up to towards the top of the toe. Insole on these guys, if you're able to see, you got that taxi with the black in Nike Air. And then going towards the top of the wings, you know, you got the taxi here, and then also the black Air Jordan Wings logo right there. Ooh, and they smell so good, man. You got that Air Jordan 1 classic smell going on. But yeah, guys, these things are so clean. Like I said, my absolute favorite pickup of the year. Probably, you know, if other than those Chicago ones, I gotta be honest, this is my sneaker of the year, right? I mean, I don't know, there's something about that black, that taxi color, the black and yellow with the white, that just, you know, it's so clean. I mean, you can honestly kind of throw these things together with a lot of different outfits, and they're still gonna go together. It's just that black and yellow, there's something about that just really pops, and it's such a nice premium leather, as you guys can see. I mean, it is just, honestly, for me personally, everybody's going to have their own opinions. You know, that's how it is on every single sneaker release. However, for me personally, this is definitely my sneaker of the year. This is my sneaker of the year, my favorite pickup. Other than, you know, the Chicagos, like I said, if I can even get them, who knows how that release is going to be. It's going to be an absolute crazy one. The Air Jordan 1 is definitely in a different time than what it used to be. But it's still my favorite silhouette. It's absolutely my favorite Jordan. And I'm going to keep buying them. You know what I mean? And any color of the Air Jordan 1, you can't go wrong, personally. That's just my opinion. It's my favorite silhouette. So everybody's going to have their own opinions. If you don't like the ones, if you don't like this colorway, you know, let me know. Let me know just what you think down below in the comment section. And other than that, guys, that is going to do it for me, man. Like I said, super stoked I was able to pick these things up. Let me know down below if you guys were able to pick them up, if you were trying to get a pair. Also, smash that thumbs up if you did enjoy the video, if you are new around here. Also, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And that's it for me. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Air Jordan 1 Taxi are out. Peace.